All right, everybody, let's talk about this loops. I'm gonna go straight, cut to the chase. We have an array of strings. We want to iterate them. There's one way to iterate them. There's multiple ways we can iterate through them, right? For okay, for item in my array print item. Okay, go down here, hit this button. I just iterated through all the items in the array. Do it. We can do it another way. Okay. You can say do a while loop. While. First of all, let's go ahead and create the count. Okay, var count less than um incremented by one. Right. This does it as well. See, does it as well. Okay. It's another way to do it. Okay. And look, if you're kind of confused about what's going on, get in your playground, copy it, play with it. Okay. That's how you understand this stuff. No way around it. Okay. You're gonna use the enumerated. Well, no. Check this out. It's an I, by the way. Yeah. Now, again, I'm iterating through it. I'm going to print. Okay. We print this. Same thing again. Now, we can get the index. So this is create an array, and of course, passing the index. And for each index, you see it, right? Um, by the way, those who haven't dealt with arrays, that's the first item in the array. Jesus Christ, let's go. As you can see right here in Cowboys, right here. Okay, and you can do it with any of them. One, Jesus Christ, Oilers. All right, so now you see that. Here's another way we can do this. The enumerated is enumerated property of every collection, or at least arrays, and yeah, just every collection, right? And that is enumerated. Okay, and there's a property of that called for each. It's a higher order function. Delete this and just do this. Print. We're getting the higher order functions and printing the values from higher order functions on another day. Let me give you some basics, bro. Elements. Right. And if you want to see the index of this, we can do like this. Peep, check this out. We say print. I hate how it puts that extra Okay. And let's see. I can say elements. You see how I'm escaping the string. So that's what I'm showing the element and the zero. When you use the enumerated in an array, this is the index. This is the actual element. As you can see? Index and 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, the element, the name. But if you don't want to use a higher order function, you want to for loop it, you can do that too. For item my array dot enumerated. Okay. I'm going to comment this out. Right? I'm going to say print. Let's do this. Element offsets item dot element. Item dot offset. And that's it right there. Same thing. And of course, let's go back here. If you wanted to see the index, you can see the index from this as well. I didn't show it to you. All right. Let's do this right here. By the way, the process of showing a value inside of a string, escaping a string, and showing the value, the process is called interpolation. That's right. I can say index. Okay, and we can do this right here, right there, and that's the index. Okay. Excuse me. And those are the main ways. And I think there are other ways too. There do while or do or repeat while, I believe. But something we don't need to touch that right now. There's kind of like no practical purpose for that right now. So now let's do something else, people. What you need to do is we need to count how many times each one of these exists in an array. You can do that multiple ways. One way you can do that is using a dictionary. The reason why I'm going to go ahead and use a dictionary is because you need to memorize this logic. You need to memorize this logic. Okay? There are going to be times when you're going to have to, when you're going to need it. Of course. So let me just do this real quick. We're gonna say var, and something, and create dictionary. You guys need to just pay attention to this, study it. I'm not gonna get super in depth. Create an empty dictionary, right, of string int. This is the key. This is the value. Then you're gonna loop through for item in my array. Jesus Christ, I hate when that happens. I'm just over here just trying to type, and this thing is not. And then if let's count equals dictionary item, right? right? And then we'll say dictionary, but it doesn't. Item equals one else dictionary item equals count. Okay. Right. So as we do this, and of course, all this functionality goes inside of a function, the dictionary and this loop. Well, let me go when I go here, print DICT. DICT. Right. See, buzz. And you have Texans that come in 3 times. Okay. So basically, this is returning a dictionary with the count of all of these. Okay. So that's a smart way of going about it. You need to memorize that logic. Okay, so let's talk some more loop tricks, right? Um talk about getting them in, right? Get getting them in on, right? So we have a group of numbers, right? We'll say let's numbers nums. Oh, man. Okay. Let's get rid of these because these make it too easy. So what I want to do now is have a min number. That's it. Okay. Nums. Right. For item and nums. Okay. Now we've done that. So okay. I'm gonna say yeah. C min equals, something. That doesn't even sound right. It doesn't even sound right, bro. I was gonna so oh my god, right? So now we know that there is no min for this. So let's go ahead and just do min equals item, right? Okay. Otherwise, though, if it is, do we want to check if L min is less than item. Then, Jesus Christ, less than item. L min min equals item. Yeah. Now I should be able to look at this. Say print min. I don't know why my logic is messed up here. right? Give me a second. I mean, this is right. What I just put out here is right, but uh, oh yeah. Okay, never mind. Everything's right. This is the logic. You're gonna have to understand that. No, but look, let's do that just so this makes more sense. Yeah, I was wondering why item is less than L min. Hmm. Right. Okay. So the bottom line is just like this. We know that there isn't a. We know there is an account because we haven't set it yet, right? There isn't. So let's go ahead and start working on this one. We need dictionary. Dictionary is equal to 1. Okay. So that now when we go through there, there is something in there. Dictionary like item equals count plus 1. Otherwise, just set it to 1. And that's it. Well, here we know that min isn't set. Min isn't set, so we set it here. So guess what? If min is set, if there is a min, then we compare it to the item. And if the item is less than min, then item equals min, which makes gives us a new minimum. Okay. So we have that. Now, let's go ahead and take it even further, guys, because we still have to finish our looping, right? Okay, so now let's loop by multiple characters, right? We can. So let's not fake it, I guess. If you really want to loop through characters by say 2s or 3s, you can always use a stride function, right? So here we go using for I, right? For I in right stride, right? Yeah, stride from 0 to whatever. Let's pick a count. Nums dot count. Count by 2. Okay. All right, we say print nums I. So this is it down here. 33, 12, 67, 38, right? Mhm. I don't understand why. There you go. Well, let me get rid of this. Okay. Right, and we can also kind of just do this just with just the number, right? Nums dot count. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 12. 2, 4, 6, 8. So same thing. right? So that makes sense, right? Um we can also literally do the items, right? Well, I already showed that, so um yeah, so let's do this real quick. Okay, so we can do this. Uh, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say for item in stride, right from what is this one? My array from I'm gonna say two, stridable, my array, my array. Box two, good. Right, print item. Okay. Mm-hmm. Array.count item. Okay, so that is what it is. Okay. Um, my array. Sure. It's whatever. Okay. Um, now what we need to do is let's talk about iterating through enumerations. You know, enumeration is sort of like a constant with multiple values, and you kind of use enumerations to create objects that can represent types of errors. You know, like HTTP errors, things like that, or just constants. You know, so I'm not gonna get all into enums. I'm gonna create a course on enums all by themselves, right? But let's say enum user types, case, general user case, elite user case, admin case, um, lot. Okay. Yeah, so these just right. But if you want to be able to iterate through the types in this enum, you got to conform to case iterable. Case iterable means, hey, use all my. I have methods. There are a bunch of methods collect the case iterable, or at least some. And I'm going to show you one called all cases, right? So now I need to iterate through this, right? For item in user types dot all cases. Now all cases available. Print item. Right here is down here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and comment that out. So this is right here at the bottom. Yeah. And so, yeah. So that's all I have on loops. There's a lot of stuff, and keep practicing it, keep getting better. But striding comes in handy. Um, these this logic to get them in and to count items and put them in a dictionary, it comes in useful because you're going to use it in lots of your coding challenges. So on to the next.